Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So here in this time I'd like to share you the Capcut video editing tutorial. So guys, if you are the user of Android phone, you can install this Capcut through your Play Store or Google app, or you can also download it from the App Store if you are the user of iOS or iPhone. And this is the look of the home page. As you can see here, this home page contains or provides you the new project. The new project itself is when you would like to start a project or video editing through your video that you have prepared before from your gallery, or you can also combine any photo and mix it to become a video through the pictures that you have also saved or prepared in your gallery. And also it contains you the library here. Let's say if you would like to know about the video that will also complement your project, such as this, the periphery, let's say, the love, or the other scenery, etc., that will also support your video, because maybe it is not enough to upload and add the video from your gallery, and this library can be also the additional idea to support your project. And so does the library itself also provides you the video, such as in the certain theme. As you can see here, there are trendings, and in the certain holidays, such as the Christmas, New Year, green screen, background, intro, transition, scenery, and many more. So don't forget to explore it by yourself, and if you would like to ask the request about how to use this video gallery, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And let's go back to the home page here. Let's say I will start the project to do the editing video for this video that I have prepared before. You can just click it, and this is the look if you already put it in this section. Or we can say that this is the blank page to start off all of your project here. And let's say in this video you would like to do the editing, so you can start off with this. Usually when you would like to start off the video, it usually also show you the watermark from the Capcut itself, and if you don't need it, then you can simply delete it. And you can also mute or unmute the clip that you have uploaded before into this blank page or the project. And let's say if you would like to divide this video into the several sections, then you can just select or click this clip. Then you can click this menu, name split, and there you go. This clip has been divided to become two parts here. And if you would like to go back and make this video become one, then you can just backward. And as you can see, when I click this clip, as you can see, the menu here show you the several options to do with this video. So usually if you would like to, let's say, change and also adjust the color grading, then you can scroll to the right and click this adjust. As you can see here, there are several options to adjust the color grading, such as the brightness. You can slide it to the left, to the right, or to the left. And then the contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, clarity, HSL, that stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. And as you can see, this HSL contains several colors that you can adjust. This color, it also contains in this video, so you can adjust it, and it is also depend on atmosphere that you would like to present to the audience to this video. So this adjustment can help you so much to create the video and what feels and what atmosphere, what vibe that you would like to create for the audience and for your portfolio. And also there are graphs, as I showed you before, that it helps you to recolor this video or clip. There are several options like the white hint, you can also adjust it. And if you would like to add the red hint for this video, then you can adjust it and move this dot into the certain point that will represent what you would like to create. And green and also blue. And I will go back, and as you can see, the color wheel, it is for the PC only, but since I'm using the smartphone right now, so it won't be supported for this device. And the next one is the highlights, to manage the brightness slightly, and also highlighting the project of that being shown in this video or clip, and shadows and the whites, the black, temperature. As you can see, if I move this scale of temperature to the right, so that creates the sense that this clip was being recorded in the hot spot or in the hot place. Or when I slide it to the left, so it's like create the atmosphere that this video was being recorded in such a cold place. And also the hue, fade, vignette. When I slide it to the left, as you can see, the corner shadows turns white here, but when I slide it to the right, the black shadow turns appeared in the corner. And also the grain, and the grain. So it's like creating the texture of your video. And if you slide it to the left, it becomes smooth. And also you can adjust the speed that you would like to create for this video. There are 2 options here, or 3, but usually or mostly people use this normal, and then you can just move the scale to the left if you would like to make it slower, or you can move it to the right if you would like to make it faster, like this. This is the faster version, or you can make it slower. This is the slower version, or you can also adjust the speed by changing the curve here. There you go. There are several effects of the speed if that you would like to put into your clip. It's like slow, fast, and slow again, and flash in and flash out. And for this each speed curve, you can also adjust it following about what you would like to create of this video. So, and then if you would like to add the effect for this photo or video, then you can again click this clip, then you can click the effect, and you can give the video effect. And there are several and so many effects that you can put for this video, such as the celebrate, gravity if you would like to create the sense that this video about the sport, interface, split, cartoon. Don't forget there are so many more effects if you would like to scroll up and edit, texture, motion, star. If you would like to create the blink of every detail of the blinkish video, screen, decor, so apparently that this decor also can be related into the natural video, distortion, glitch, retro. If you would like to create a video that represent about the, let's say, the 90s or 70s or 80s or 90s video, light effect, lens, nightclub, opening, closing, pro, and the trending. That's all, guys. These are the several options that you can apply if you would like to create a video from the Capcut. And don't forget to explore more, and I believe that you can do the masterpiece through your Capcut. I hope this video finds you helpful, guys, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel if you would like to know more about our tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.